class on Mondays. Hi everybody, it's Mr. B. And today we're just going to do some reviewing of some rhyming words. And in your packets, you have a couple of papers. Let's see here if I can show you what you got. Kindergarten, you're going to have pictures on yours. In first grade, you can have words on yours. Okay, we'll talk about how we're going to do these in a little bit. This shouldn't be very hard today. Let's see, how do I get out of this? Okay, here we go. All right. So, mirror my actions. Rhyming words are words that have endings that sound the same. Rhyming words are words that the endings sound the same, like hop and pop. Now you'll see on these words, pop, it starts with p, and this one starts with h, right? It's not the beginning we're talking about. When we talk about rhyming words, we're talking about the ending sounds. Up, pop, hop. Okay? Let's just try a few of these here real quick. We'll do some matching. And then I'll turn you loose on your assignments. Pretty easy, right? All right. So what we have here is we got a cat, fish, ice, shoe, bear, and cop. So let's see. Let's start here with mice. Mice. We're looking for an ending sound. That's the same. Can you figure out which one it would be? Let's see. Is it shoe, mice, shoe? Let's see. Mice ends in ice. Shoe ends in oo, doesn't it? Mice and shoe doesn't work, does it? Mice and ice. They both have ice in them, don't they? Mice. Ice. Yes. Let's try dish. Dish. Can you see which word rhymes with dish? Let's see. Is it cop? Let's see. Cop. Dish. Let's see. Cop ends in op. Cop. Dish ends in ish. Dish. Op and ish aren't the same, are they? No, they don't sound the same. Let's see. How about fish? How about fish and dish? Let's see. Fish ends in ish, and dish ends in ish too. Yeah, that's the rhyme, isn't it? Fish and dish. Let's try this one here. Mat. Let's see. How about bear? Bear. Bear. Bear ends in air, doesn't it? Bear. And mat ends in at. That doesn't match, does it? Air and at are not the same. How about cat? Yeah, cat, mat. They sound the same at the end, don't they? Cat, mat. Yes. How about mop? How about shoe and mop? Let's see. Is that the right one? Shoe and mop. Shoe ends in oo. Mop ends in op. No, those aren't the same, are they? How about cop, mop? Yes, that makes sense, doesn't it? Cop, mop. And blue, that does go with shoe, doesn't it? Shoe, blue, yes. And bear, chair. Yeah. They go together, don't they? So we got cat, mat, fish, dish, ice, mice, shoe, blue, bear, chair, cop, and mop, right? That is right. Let's see here. I think I have, and I'm going to try something here. No, I don't have it there. Let's see. Do I have it here? No, I don't have it here. All right, that's okay. Let's do it this way. So kindergarten, you can have a page that looks like this. On one side you have a skunk, swing, hat, car, and bank. On the other side you have a cat, tank, king. What is that? That's going to be a trunk. Trunk. And that's a guitar. And what you're going to do is you're just going to draw lines. Like skunk rhymes with trunk, doesn't it? So you just draw a line from skunk to trunk. Now, first grade, you're going to have to read yours, okay? Back, cake, bank, jar, cat, gate. And you're going to draw a line to the words that rhyme on the other side. And I want you to read those words yourself, okay? So it's kind of a review today of some stuff we did earlier in this quarter, isn't it? All right, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Fill out those papers and get them back to me. All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.